Thank you very much sa pinaskuhan. See, not only me who is giving, but also I am receiving. Yes, thank you very much. Merry Christmas! Thank you very much po sa mga nagbigay ng regalo sa amin. O, di ba? Hindi lang tayo ang namimigay, kundi tayo din ay nakaka-receive ng mga regalo. O, di ba? Ayan po lahat. Regalong natanggap sa Pasko, okay? So, Victor, iniwan sa labas ng bahay namin. Ayan, oh. May trolling kasama siya, o, di ba? Natatanggal, tapos trolley siya, tatlo. Diba dyan, kay Wawang, tapos kay Dagul. O, thank you very much sa mga yan ang laman nito. Wine. Anong wine ba to? Ewan ko ano yan. So, yan po. Thank you again sa mga nagbigay ng aming regalo. Thank you, thank you. Yan. Thank you sa pahabol nga gift from Rosa and Jess family. Thank you so much. I really did not expect this one. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Let's open the gift today. Mag-unboxing namin sa among mga gift. Mga gifts nga, mga na-receive na mo. Okay? Mag-start na diri sa Kipling's nga bag. That's the other bag. So, muna isulod anak nga bag. Is, unsa man niya? Mamaling makarina. Kani, from Frankie and me, scented candle day siya now. With silver pony pudding. Passion fruit, Yoyo's passion fruit. So, this one, Victor. Kamu kay open, kay inyo man yung gift. Oh, it's a Adidas t-shirt from Ruhel. Oh. So, ako na yung nag-open sa mga gift, no? Thank you to Hana. Chocolate. Chocolate. Oh. Matthew has a t-shirt on Roblox, yeah? And that to another Pokemon. Oh.
Thank you, Hana.
No name. From Anonymous. Oh, diba? Okay. Woo! Chocolate again. Lantern. Who gave you this? Who gave this? From Anonymous. Thank you very much. Ate Stella, thank you very much, Ate Stella. Tim Tam. Another Tim Tam. Thank you very much, Ate Stella. Thank you very much. Ay, akin pala to. From Ate Almera. Thank you very much, Ate Almera. Sige. Ate Almera, thank you very much. To Mateo from Missy and Tim Tim. Oh. Thank you very much, Missy and Tim Tim. Oh, from Uniqlo t-shirt. From Ellen. Oh, thank you very much, Ellen. Sige. Thank you very much. Oh, and I love the color. Thank you very much, Samag. From Ellen. Anonymous. For Mateo. Thank you very much. Bag po ang laman yan. Ang ganda ng pagkaano. Ayan po ang, oy, bench. Thank you very much. Wow. So, Mateo from Cleft and Creates. Woo. Thank you very much. Rose and Jess family, no, for the Christmas gift for Mateo. And this is from Cleft and Creates. Thank you very much sa bag. Next, to Tita May and Tito Victor from Clift and Crits again. Wow. Thank you very much. It's a towel. So, 6 pieces towel set. Thank you very much, Ross and Jess family for the towel, sapat towel, pabag ni Mateo. Thank you very much. Please, thank you very much, Alma, sa pag-gift. Wow, solid acacia wood. Acacia, multi-purpose tray. Lazy Sunday siya, nga koan. Thank you very much. I-open. So that's my Lazy Susan. It's a big tray. Thank you very much, Alma. Yeah, look. Tuyok-tuyok siya. Thank you very much. So this one, wala na to naukap ganina, no? Yan. From Lowell and family. Oh, it's a Pinocchio 2018. Oh, mga wine, guys. Mga lalami siguro ni siya, di. Oh, mga wine ang sulod. Thank you very much.